What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to finance a mobile home. Financing a mobile home requires careful planning and understanding of the unique options available. Whether you're looking to purchase a manufactured home, a modular home, or an older mobile home, following these 5 key steps will help you navigate the process and secure the best financing for your needs. Credit check. Before embarking on your mobile home financing journey, it's crucial to check your credit reports and scores. Your credit history plays a pivotal role in determining your loan options and interest rates. Take the time to review your credit reports from all 3 major bureaus, looking for any errors or discrepancies. If your credit score isn't where you'd like it to be, consider taking steps to improve it before applying for a loan. A higher credit score can unlock better financing terms and potentially save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Land ownership decision. One of the most important decisions you'll need to make is whether you're buying land along with your mobile home or planning to rent a plot. This choice significantly impacts your financing options. Owning the land your mobile home sits on typically opens up more loan possibilities, including traditional mortgages. On the other hand, if you're planning to rent a space in a mobile home park, you may be limited to chattel loans or personal loans. Consider your long-term plans and budget when making this decision, as it will affect not only your financing but also your overall living expenses. Home specifics research. Before applying for financing, thoroughly research the specifics of the mobile home you want to purchase. The type, age, and value of the home will influence your loan options. Newer manufactured homes that meet HUD standards generally have more financing choices available compared to older models. Pay attention to details such as the home's dimensions, materials used, and any customizations. This information will be crucial when discussing loan options with potential lenders and ensuring you're getting an appropriate loan for your specific mobile home. Financing options exploration. With your credit checked, land decisions made, home specifics in hand, it's time to explore various financing options. Look into different loan types such as FHA loans, conventional mortgages, chattel loans, and personal loans. Each option has its own set of requirements, interest rates, and terms. Don't hesitate to shop around and compare offers from multiple lenders. Consider factors like interest rates, loan terms, down payment requirements, and any additional fees. This thorough exploration will help you find the best financing solution that aligns with your budget and long-term financial goals. Loan application submission. Once you've chosen a lender and type of loan, it's time to submit a complete loan application. Gather all necessary documentation, which typically includes proof of income, tax returns, bank statements, and information about the mobile home you're purchasing. Be prepared to make a down payment, as many lenders require this for mobile home financing. The size of the down payment can vary depending on the loan type and your financial situation. Submit your application with all required information to avoid delays in processing. Be responsive to any additional requests from the lender, as a smooth application process can help you secure your mobile home financing more quickly. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to navigate the mobile home financing process with confidence. Remember, the key to success is thorough research, careful consideration of your options, and patience throughout the journey to finding the perfect mobile home loan for your situation. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.